Okay, so yeah, if everything is fine, so okay, yeah. The next thing is you're just like if you have any doubt, you have to ask it now, okay? Because the teachers will ask you many questions in return when you tell all these things, and you need to answer right. And so prepare some questions and put post them in group because or else you will be stuck in the during the presentation. Okay, so yeah, and I will like George has told. I will provide you a notebook. A notebook means not just like a prepared notebook. It's a digital notebook. So these notebooks are used for creating and analyzing neural networks. Okay, okay. I will present it to you now itself. Just wait a few seconds. I'm not getting network. I will try just a few seconds.
Okay, Ashwin.
So everybody can see my screen.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, sure. Okay. Now I am opening my Collab notebook. Okay, so Collab is a cloud platform so that we can run and execute neural networks and we can train machine learning models. It's a cloud platform. Why we are using cloud is because training all these things in the a normal laptop, it requires a high-end laptop, gaming laptops, that is worth about more than 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So you cannot afford such a huge laptops just for one college project. So that's why you are using cloud. This is Google Colab. This Colab is sponsored by Google's. It's their own original cloud platform. So we'll be using this. I'm telling all this because lecturers may ask you questions. Why are we using cloud? Why not use the normal laptop, etc. Okay. So yeah, here I have prepared. I will show you one of my. I think yeah. Why we are yeah, why we so the lecturers may also ask, so is the entire application running in the cloud? So an answer for that is no. We are only training the neural network in the cloud, and then we are after the training part, if the neural network is very good, then we will store that, we will download the weights. Okay, weights is the final output. So we will be downloading these weights, then we will be deploying it manually in our laptop. So during the training time, the it will take about hours. Okay, even in the clouds gives you about 12 GB of GPU, and GPU is very much required for training the neural networks. Okay, so the cloud gives you 12 GB GPU. So using that, with it will be taking 2 hours or 3 hours to complete one training, and after the training is completed, you will get the weight files. Okay, each weight will file will cost only about 15 MB to 20 MB. You will download that weight file, then you will download it. Sorry, then you will put it in your local software in your local computer. So the software is working locally, not in cloud. Only we are doing the training in the cloud. George, ഇത് പോയോ എൻ്റെ presentation പോയോ?
Yes, we can all see now.
Okay.